Hello Glamazons, it's me, and this is a sponsored video by BB Craft. These items were sent to me. So here's a little information about BB Craft, and I will link everything below. And I'd like to show you guys what they sent me. They sent me some amethyst beads. Now these are jewelry making supplies, guys. They also sent me some glass pearls. And this is the type of stuff you use to make your own jewelry. You guys know I don't really make jewelry, but I was excited to check out their product. So check this out. But what I really liked is they have sterling silver findings. So these are, I think, 12mm jump rings or 8mm jump rings. And you guys are going to see what I'm going to do with those. These are sterling silver pendant findings. So these are awesome. This is why I agreed to do the video, because I think this is incredible. Now, they also sent me their set of jewelry making pliers. I know some of you guys are crafters, so I really hope you check it out. They shipped from the United States and I got my package quickly. And I have to say, everything was very, very impressive. So, I'm going to show you guys a quick little demonstration of what I did with some of this stuff. Again, you know, I'm not a big jewelry maker, but what I wanted to do was take these pendants. You guys know I bought these gemstone pendants from San Gennaro, and these are base metal, so I never liked that those are base metal, so I wanted to switch those out and put sterling silver. So you're going to see that in this video. Yeah, we don't want the base metal, so I'm using the pliers, and look at that. Easily I'm able to pop out the base metal findings, and I'm going to put a sterling silver jump ring instead. That way it'll be fine jewelry. So I thought that was pretty cool, and this is my first time doing anything like this, so don't be too harsh on me. Again, I'm not a jewelry maker, so yeah, I am doing this. You guys are seeing me do this for the first time. I did not practice ahead of time. I just kind of winged it, but you'll see at the end of the video how it turned out. So yeah, swapping out the base metal for sterling silver findings, which I like, so I will definitely be placing an order. And it's funny, this saves me money from actually having to go to a jeweler, because the simple stuff I can do myself. So let me shut up now and you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so that's on, and I wanted to try out the other sterling silver findings. So here we go. I'm going to put that one on the pendant instead. Now, I'm not going to ruin it, but it turns out these little ones were too small for this big pendant, so I eventually end up taking this piece off after I put it on. But I'll show you guys that I did get it on. And you know, their findings come in different sizes, and again, I'm learning, I'm not a jewelry maker. So these ones right here are for very small chains and very small holes. So yeah, it didn't work for this pendant because of how big the pendant was and the way the pendant goes east-west. You'll see what I mean. So yeah, I ended up taking that off later because the pendant wasn't going to lay right, but that's okay. They still work, so that's great. So if I have some small pendants, I'll be replacing any base metal findings with the sterling silver ones. So good stuff. Now here I have a small jade Buddha, and as you can see, these pliers are awesome. That came right off, and it's actually not even damaged. I can reuse it. There's the chrysocolla. I'm popping that one off as well. It's pretty simple. For my first time, I didn't have any problems, and again, I could reuse those base metal findings if I wanted to. But yeah, so we're gonna take the Buddha here, and we're gonna try this small sterling silver finding. And as you can see, I got it on, and it actually is wonderful. It's really on there tight, and voila! Now it's complete fine jewelry, jade and sterling silver, no base metal. The chain is from John's eBay store. I just needed a chain to demonstrate that I've successfully put the findings on. So I'm actually giving that chain to somebody else. But it was the only chain I had handy. So now let me show you the other gemstone pendant. Yep, see, the sterling silver jump ring works perfectly on its own. So now I have all silver and gemstones, no more base metal. This is great for those of you who have allergies, because if you guys are subscribers and you watch my videos, you know these pendants were super, super affordable from the San Gennaro Festival. And so yeah, it's inexpensive. It's more inexpensive to buy the pendants with the base metal findings and then just switching them out yourselves. So here's the chrysocolla, and you guys are going to see me do this one. And again, I did this for the first time. I'm not an expert. I can't say that I actually did it perfectly. My nail chipped. But overall, I have to say, this is pretty cool, and the pliers alone are awesome. You know, I'm very pleased with the findings and the pliers. I don't know what I'm going to do with those glass pearls or those amethyst beads because I'm not a jewelry maker. But I'll figure something out. I might give the glass pearls away. I'm going to keep the amethyst beads, and as you can see, I'm tightening it. And so here we have it on a sterling silver jump ring. And I'm going to be doing this for the pendants that I make with the loose gemstones that I bought. So if anyone knows how to drill gemstones, please let me know. I will be drilling them and then putting sterling silver jump rings through them and wearing them as pendants. Look at that. Amazing. I was very pleased with how this turned out. Happy holidays, guys. More will be coming soon. Subscribe. Bye, Glamazons. Bonus clip. Hey guys, if you're subscribed, you know I purchased this big gemstone and the sterling silver setting. Well, thanks to the pliers from BB Craft, I was able to set my own ring. Yep, I set the gemstone into the mounting, and as you can see, the prongs are really, really tight. So I'm very pleased. This is the first time I've ever made a ring, and it came out beautiful. The only one like it in the world. And so BB Craft is definitely great for jewelry repairs and little DIY projects. It might just save you a trip to the jewelers like it did for me. That's it for now, Glamazons. Again, happy holidays. I love you all and talk to you soon. Bye.